Hello guys, today we're making zucchini chips. It's a very quick and easy recipe, so let's get all the ingredients and start making zucchini chips. We only need 3 ingredients: a zucchini, 2 eggs, about a cup of semolina flour. If you want, you can use regular all-purpose flour, but the semolina flour will make the zucchinis crunchier. Start cutting the zucchini into thin slices. The thinner the slices, the crunchier the zucchini will be. After you're done slicing the zucchini, get 2 bowls to prepare the eggs and the flour. Add some salt to the eggs and mix them really well. We are going to dip the zucchinis into the egg wash first and then into the semolina flour. Make sure to repeat this process for all the remaining zucchinis. Put some vegetable oil into the frying pan, and once it's hot enough, add the zucchini chips. We are going to fry them about 2 minutes on each side or until golden. While the zucchinis are frying, make sure to check my Instagram page, Giulio Cooks, where I post other recipes, lunch ideas and restaurant reviews. This is optional, but let's prepare some tzatziki sauce to dip the zucchini chips. For the tzatziki sauce, we need Greek yogurt, cucumber, garlic, salt, and olive oil. Mince the cucumber and the garlic and then combine it together with the Greek yogurt. Then add some olive oil and salt, and the tzatziki sauce is ready. If you'd like, you can use any other type of sauce, but I like tzatziki sauce better. To finalize this dish, I am going to dip the zucchini chips halfway through the tzatziki sauce. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe below, and I'll see you on the next video.